Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Babatunde Ogini here in Tariq Matala, LC Dubai. I'm here to introduce our product to you. This is LC79 refrigerator, which you can easily use for a Land Cruiser LC200 pickup. Let me show you how it works. Can you see this is the inside where you can install your drink whenever you are travel to anywhere? No need of panicking or afraid of drinking a cold drink on the way. Just keep your drink there and lock it. Here, this is the power where you can control the switch low and high. So let me show you another one. This one is fantastic product. Where you put your phone on, where you can see you have a USB here where you can plug whatever you want to do, and you can see the switch here as well, easily plugged. Then see, this is nice one. This one can contain many drink where you can keep. So patronize us in Tariq Mata Liazani LC in Dubai. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube to see more of our products. Thank you.